Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my homework. Today is Saturday. Today I will make a mini story about my personality. Okay, are you ready? Okay, good job. Let's go.
Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Couldn't be bad. So, what are you doing here?
I come for in the I come for the interview.
You came for the interview.
Yes.
I see. So, can you tell me something yourself?
Oh, something myself? Hmm. Okay, my name is Nguyễn Đức Văn. Uh, I'm 25 years old. I am an engineer. I have to 170 centimeter centimeter. Sorry. Um, I have to 170 centimeter. Okay, with with um, 50 54 kilogram, 54 kilogram, and I have a big eye and short back hair. Um, for my personality, uh, I think I kind, uh, ambitious, self-confident, and honest. Okay.
Why do you say that?
Hmm. Why are you say that? Hmm. I I say that because I think I like helping people. I would like to become an expert in my field. My field is about building material, and I want to be successful, rich, and famous. Yes, rich and famous. So for self confident, I believe in me. Do you believe in me? Oh, okay. No matter what they say, I believe that I can do anything, be anything, create anything, dream anything, and become anything. Mm. Okay. So. Uh, okay, and I also think think that I am very honest because I don't like tell I don't like telling powerful, and I like telling um, and I like telling truthful. So do you think?
Yes, I think so.
Um, okay, sorry, I have to go now.
Okay, good luck. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Okay, that's all my homework. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye bye.